What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing, review and installation of this LED matrix panel. So basically it comes in this box. I'm going to unbox it and install it inside my car to show you guys basically how it looks. So as you can see on the box right there, this is the display of the panel. So I'm just going to unbox it now, let you guys see. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, this is the LED panel. So as you can see right here is LED panel right here. So in the box we have this little neat panel. So we have a user manual. So we have these adhesive strip tape, and also we have the connection. This is the attachment for the LED light, and it basically a USB connection as you can see right here. So I'm just gonna try to hook it up right now and show you guys basically how it looks. Alright guys, so basically I'm going to connect it up right now. So basically I'm going to use this part right here. This is the part which is gonna control it. So basically what I want to do now is to connect it up like this. Now that connect, and I'm going to connect my USB part right here into the USB connection to get some power on this right here. Alright guys, as you can see the light is now powered on. Now basically we can use this to control it. As you can see, we can see different ways in which we can display the image, but there's no image on this right now. So what you can basically do on the user manual right here, so let me turn off this for a bit. So on the user manual you can scan this right here. There's a code to download the app from the App Store in which you can control this right here via a Bluetooth. So on the user manual guys, so if you're using an Android or an iOS device, you can basically scan this app to get more control of this. So you can see that there's nothing display right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scan the app to download the app from the Play Store or the Android Store. Okay guys, so now I have downloaded the app from the Play Store. So as you can see, so I'm gonna set it up now. As you can see right there, it's now resetting. So I'll go to the next step. As you can see right there. So guys, as you can see, it's now being connected. So these are basically the menu. As you can see right there, we have a text, we have the pattern, we have the graffiti, we have animation. So basically this is the mode, and we can change the selection mode right here. So we can basically take it from left. As you can see right there, the cool LED light is running. So as you can see guys, the different dynamic in which you can choose from. So as you can see right there, so I'm going static. We can see different statics as well. We can choose different flag as you can see right there. Also graffiti, you can design your own. So animation, we can put our text right here, so we can basically customize a text by putting your own name, anything that you want to put inside it. Save, so we can put save up there. So now it basically import, so we can click on it, and it basically sending signal. As you can see right there, the sign is now imported, and this is two-side adhesive tape. You can basically go right on here. So it's basically adhesive tape that can go right on here. Alright guys, so as you can see, it has now installed. I'm going to turn it on right now so that you guys see how it looks from the outside. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the light right here in the screen in the front, looking pretty neat, and it display right there. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful, and thank you guys for watching.